Good morning. Mga 30 minutes naman, sir, Sir Lance.
Second session po.
Okay lang. Minsan inaayos mo na, Cherry.
Okay.
Okay, salamat po. Okay. Okay.
5, 4, standby. 3, 2, 1.
Good morning! Good morning, Philippine Sports Writers Association, and we welcome you to the second part of our PSA Forum here, ground floor, Philippine Sports Commission Building, Rizal Memorial Sports Complex. And on behalf of our sponsors, syempre, Philippine Sports Commission, Philippine Olympic Committee, ang ating San Miguel Corporation, Smart PLDT, Milo Philippines, Arena Plus. Sana magkakasama tayo sa ating live streaming, that's Philippine Sports Writers Association. Likewise, on a delayed basis of Radyo Pilipinas, DOS, ang ating Baling Sports Radio. And we're so happy to have here with us, we used to have him as an organizer, as a technical official, and head of our national body in volleyball. But this time around, nagbabalik sa ating PSA Forum as Asian Volleyball Confederation President. No other than Sir Tatsu Sara to talk about all volleyball activities as we prepare for the 2025 hosting of the World Men's Volleyball Championships. Good morning. Welcome to the PSA Forum, sir.
Thank you, Judith. Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat, members ng lahat ng media. And first of all, I'd like to thank all of you for all the support for the last 3 years ng PNBF sa events namin. Alam nyo, yung PNBF was created, ang tawag ko COVID Federation. Nung nag-election kami, COVID at that time when President Bangkol asked for the elections. But now, I think for the last 3 years, I think we are one of the busiest NSA at the moment. No? We have about 7-8 events in a year. So I do not know how we survive 7 to 8 events in a year, no? With limited funding. So maybe I think I always call when I was elected president of PNBF. There are only 2 things that I did, no? Because when we were COVID, when we had the COVID election, I was surprised to have one major sponsor na lumapit agad, which is Ribisco, to be a part of the next 3 years. And it was COVID. So I was thinking, sabi ko, kung yung pera ng sponsor ng Ribisco, lalagyan lang sa bangko, dahil COVID So sabi ko, I think there should be some activities kay COVID. So, pinaano ko yung pag-tryout ako national team sa Subic. Everybody was wearing a mask, naka-suit, no, sa Subic. All the national team players were very hesitant, but they came, no? And we did, and then we participated. There was only one event in Asia at that time, it's the Asian Club Championship. We had to do, ang tawag nun? Sa COVID yung sila, naka-confine sa bubble. So bubble. But I think it was only basketball and volleyball who had a bubble. So we had a bubble in Lipa. And then we had a tournament also in Lipa. So it started that way, and now I think we are the busiest NSA having 7 to 8 events a year. And I think to culminate the big events for next year's hosting of the Men's World Championship 2025 with 32 teams for the first time. And I'd like to invite all of you. I hope nag-register na kayo. Si June will be in charge. We will have the draw. This will be live in 200 countries on Saturday at 7 p.m. at Soler Ballroom. So I want to see all of you there and witness the historic draw of the World Championship next year, Saturday.
So who will be there? Who will conduct the draw? Top officials then of World Volleyball?
Yes, the draw will be conducted by the FIVB. The FIVB president are coming here and several officials. Of course, the local organizing committee headed by our honorary chairperson, First Lady Lisa Aneta Marcos, Presidential son Pini Marcos, Senator Alan Quezano, Senator Pia Quezano, Secretary Frasco of DOT, MVP, also board member, Chairman Bachman of PSC, and POC President Bangkor. So I really put all the top sports people in the LOC board. So of course the media, the sponsors, the NSAs, I invited the NSAs who are interested to watch a draw, no? And all other guests.
Yes. And may importanteng side event to, di ba, itong draw ng World Men's Volleyball, sir?
Yes, the draw again will be on Saturday at 7 p.m. We have dinner first. This is a formal what's this ceremony. There are some entertainment. I will not say kung sino ang entertainment. So we have
Surprise?
surprise. I'm sure all of you will like the entertainment. And then we start the draw at 8:30. So dinner and then draw.
Yes. But of course, ang ano din, ang ating ding concentration as sa Philippine team na lalahok sa World Men's Volleyball. Meron bang special group na parang ando na ang Philippines? Di ba yung FIBA World Cup, meron gano'n din sa particular grouping?
Yeah, in the competition regulations, as host, automatically the Philippines qualifies to be part of the 32 teams. So we are seated immediately Pool A as the host of this country. No?
Group A.
Yeah, Pool A. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, it's Pool A as seated one as the host. And of course, yung world champion ng Italy is there. And I think that is the scenario. But I'm not pretty sure paano yung draw. No? There's a procedure for this.
Okay.